when the batteries in our cars fail. How should we choose the battery? First of all, we should use a battery with the same voltage because of 12 volts. The capacity tone is the same as the 63 amp hour capacity tone and the low temperature start current tone. What impact will different types of batteries have on the vehicle? First, when the capacity of the battery becomes smaller, it will affect the battery's power storage and low temperature starting current. If it becomes smaller, it will affect the low temperature starting current of the battery in the low temperature state. It will affect the start of the vehicle, and the lifespan of the battery will be affected. When installing the battery, we should first pay attention to whether the size of the battery pile head is consistent. Is the position of the battery pile head relative? Because some batteries are reverse positive and negative opposite. So we must pay attention under normal circumstances. The positive electrode is a big head. The negative electrode is a small head. Now we start installing the battery. When installing the battery should not be inverted. To prevent the electrolyte from flowing out, to install the battery, the positive electrode of the battery should be installed first. Hold it tight. Then install the negative electrode of the battery. And we're just going to hang it in place. Can't be loose. Then install the battery holder in place. After battery is installed and fixed, check whether the battery pile head is loose. Is the bracket fixed in place? Then start the vehicle. Start the vehicle. Check whether the vehicle starts smoothly. Is the start normal? And after replacing the battery, the vehicle electronic control system should be reset. Check whether the meter battery light is on. If it lights up, it is necessary to check whether the battery power generation is normal.